In this video, we're going to be talking about your microfiber towels. So if you're interested in finding out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. Comment and share my videos. Now today I'm continuing on with my Healthy Natural Home Health series. And what I'm going to talk about today is microfiber towels and how we're supposed to care for them or clean them. Now, me myself, I have microfiber towels. I'm going to show you what I have. Okay, I do everything by colors. So I have this bag. I have red, green, yellow, blue, orange. I have purple. I have, what other color? I have purple. I have black. I have all the colors because I color coordinate with my spray bottles. And I just realized in here, I have an orange Coogee. This is what I put on my bottles. So protect them, the ones I use for cleaning. So I even have orange, but I even have orange fiber clouds, microfiber towels for that too. So there, it's coming. I know you might think I'm a little off here, but I'm gonna link an iCard how I use those Coogees. And I think it's a great idea. So let's talk about these microfiber towels and how to keep them clean. First, I use them for different things. I have window cleaner. I have the multi-purpose cleaner. I have furniture cleaner. I have granite cleaner. I have the steel cleaner. I have so many different cleaners, and each one has a colored towel. So you need to rinse them all out to make sure first in your sink that you rinse them out to make sure you're getting the product out before you start anything. The next is to use vinegar as a fabric softener. So when you put them in the wash machine, if you add a little bit of vinegar, at least a cup of vinegar in the wash machine with your microfiber towels, they'll come out feeling so soft and fluffy. You'll thank me for it later on. Wash them in cold water, not hot, not warm, cold water, okay? And if they are really stained, then you need to put a little washing powder or the stain remover on it and scrub that spot a little bit more by hand before you put them in the washing machine. And the dryer temperature should be tumble dry. Do not, I repeat, do not add fabric softener to your microfiber towels because then they will not be absorbent. They'll have like a shield over them, so they won't be able to pick up anything and it'll waste your time. The only fabric softener that you need to use for these towels is vinegar. Let me say that again. No fabric softener. Use a cup of vinegar, and that will keep your towels soft and fluffy. And then make sure before you put them in the dryer, that lint tray, make sure there's no lint in it because those towels will pick up that lint in those drawers, and that'll be hard as cuckoo birds to get that lint off your towels. Trust me. Done it. Towels, threw them away because I couldn't get all that darn lint and stuff off of them. Remember that. And if you don't have a washing machine, you can do this by hand. And once you wring them out, hang them to dry and they'll be fine. Do the same process. Rinse them, wash them. If they're stained, rub a little extra washing powder or Dawn on them and scrub them. And then to rinse them out, it's like a fabric softener. Pour your cup of vinegar in the water and wash them in there with the vinegar and your washing powder or whatever you choose to wash them with. Dish detergent or washing powder, but no fabric softener. Once you rinse them out, hang them up to dry, and they'll be soft and fluffy, and you'll like them. I try to find something that was knowledgeable, that maybe you didn't know everything I mentioned. If I let you know some new information, please let me know. I want to know if this helps somebody. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.